You have an ABS light.
Yes.
So you looked.
The code reader said right front.
Uh-huh. And you, what, took this off and looked at it?
You follow this down and it goes right inside the bearing. It's built into the bearing.
Okay. And it looks all nasty in there, huh?
When we started turning the wheel, we could hear it the other day.
So you have a bad bearing.
We have a bad bearing,
Okay.
which makes the ABS bad because it's right built in.
I see.
So we're replacing this bearing in there.
So you have factory wheel spacers on there.
Yes.
Oh, those look fun to get off.
Unless you're big and strong.
Hopefully you just have to loosen them and they come off by hand.
7/8 wrench. You hold this and pull really hard, and you loosen each one of them, and then they'll come right off.
Oh, once you got them loose, they come off. Okay.
This is going to be frozen on. Gotta take brake calipers off. Everyone knows how to do this. It is tricky though.
What size is it?
13 millimeter.
Oh.
The 2 slider bolts and then the 2 mount bolts.
What size are the mount bolts?
18 millimeter. Sometimes these don't come off, and you try to bang them and they don't come off, and bang, they don't come off. So you take any bolt and you stick it through the mount hole for the brake calipers in the back. You stick it through there and put a nut on the back side. And you get the right size socket. Yep. And then you stick this on here. And once you start to see it move a little bit, back it off a little bit, turn it, and do it again. There it goes.
Whew. So he's turning the wheel so we can get to these bolts on the back. Those 3. 1, 2, 3.
18 millimeter. These 3 bolts have to come out. Turn the wheel.
Grab it so it doesn't fall. I knew this part was going to be nasty.
holding it
Okay.
up.
Hope you didn't want to save that cord.
So that's how not to do it. You're gonna want to unplug.
Why didn't you get that socket? Pull this thing out of there. We had it out the other day, right? Luckily, a new cord comes with it.
That's the old one. Let's see how it sounds now. Oh, you can't hear it, but you can feel it. It's
And clean this up a little bit before we put that new one in there.
There we go. There we go. Having a time.
I feel like it's seconds away from getting ripped off of there. There it goes.
I do need to get that out though.
Yeah.
Top one is a different length than the bottom two.
Ah, okay.
The top one goes way up from here.
Oh, hear that noise?
Yeah, we didn't put the extender on.
No, no. Your shield is scratching it somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Dale.
You have one job to do.
I'm thinking right here. That's what I said.
Hey, there it is.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put the extension. Yeah.
218s, hold that down.
Yes, 218 millimeters. How did the wire come off of that?
Yeah, just fiddling with it. Knock it down.
Now, the hard part is getting this bottom in. And then the top in. And I can never, ever, oops.
Where your slide is catching on your latch. Push your slides out. The bottom slide should help. This is your slide. And you're gonna push it out there so it'll go in the bolt.
I always. Oh. That's how it goes. Okay. crud.
Ooh.
That gave us indication that something's wrong with that bearing. But now,
Yeah, it's smooth.
Okay, I gotta turn the wheel back. What do I need?
You go around the bench, they've got it in the vise, you can hear it
You
grinding.
can hear it grinding?
Yeah. You have to spin it.
Oh my. You didn't hear that noise, huh?
Nope, I'm driving. I've always got the radio up too loud.
That bearing is bad. Now it's got a new one. So we're done. Well, you're putting the tire back on. You got it with the mirror. I got it. Cool. We'll put your tire on and finish your oil change.
Do what?
Put your tire back on and do your oil change. I'm gonna leave. That's gonna do it for us today. Thanks for watching 3-Day Weekend.